Right, abusua be chiachi obi a obi akwaba at the Baba Grace TV. So you say obi dey nyankro pa abusua obi a ho ye. That's what in konya so. Yes, Ghana man. Any we are seeing na onim say nsem ba ko a da bia idi mu nkomo e waye man Ghana ba bia abefa bia won tenta fi nso ba bia that Lumba wachi. Na nsem no akwa akodura ba bi say si akra de abusuafo emu ache. Ya abusua no do na ase o yetu abusua pa ni na akofiri su. Ena abusua no fa bi su chese o da bi omu tanachi. Omuda so agi tim so na ye Abusuapanin. Ama edim say nsem no akwa amana kodru na anu anim but yes oba fake anim abom mu ase. Ama ebi kura so wɔ de wɔ court no fa. Ensem wana kofu de kodan court say ompene ema that Lumba ni aba ma me Akosua Serwaa no wɔ fire poku. Ene abusuafo nkaya aka on person be celebration of life. Ene say that Lumba ni mo nyam no ompene ma na maso sa. So na sisi aba bedru sa na yenka bi nhye mu abusua ene kosie na anu fiada. Kata bi ba abonten. Kata no otwe no na anu fiada. Na mu ba abonten fi enre ba na ba edija omonten so. Kata no ba abonten a ena Abusuapanin di asempa so aba abonten. Ya obetu bi di amane na kofi su kata otwe se da bi edi kwanse basa. Na nyina ne se yeti a yenka bi nhyem nke se o me say updates na yeti a yenka bi nhyem ena ebeto odwa se ye na kofi su. E de kata aba abonten. Na kata no nsem na ne se o se wa pow public relations team and as a media team. Ya omo na be kasa ama no as ono Abusuapanin go when the cartel no was na kan say ono na kofi so aye Abusu na Victor kofi so bu an aye Abusuapanin e de ma e ko na de shibusu ya wo pa akoso nsu ta ko e ni crowd waka e na wa power media team tisi ya ko pa say na wo the cartel wo tre sense on trefo ko pa so busa nsem bi pa so tv bi ase a enya afi na obo na kofi so ono mecheche mu nche da bi na so wa power media team ti media team na who omo no macheche man say I will get in touch with them and all matter of say cheche bibia mu dia chero yeah media team no boy papa bidin say Alex or no partner say obeda media team na no e obekasa e dia ma ekona de shibusua no e na fe ono na kofi to Tüpac e na yanka bia nhye mu ade chen ya pe e na kata tententen e free Abusuapanin di asempa me che Abusuapanin kwabna before so aba na o ma lawyers for the na lawyer for the trace akata de babonten yeah nsem na say there be ohun sa ankrata na kofi so atwede aba abonten no na de dika waka hye na kofi so de bi onye Abusuapanin bi afei na pa akoso ne asem a oka ye ana say abusuafo nyina adwumadi omudi abusua no mpanyimfo ehia e ka so moto na frade so na pa akoso ne so de krata ba abonten be peace na anu ya it is a voice bi kwa ba abonten tue papa otwenoko bia e che say na pa akoso ne voice ya o say I no na ma kwan say be the man mpanyimfo ya o touch de krata na ba abonten na kofi usu enye Abusuapanin bi na Abusuapanin dia say pass there bi say akoba say man mpanyimfo kwa tu onye Abusuapanin bi mu a eba ne say na onye tumi say o twe kata de aba abonten say wa pa omo a ombe kasa de ama abusua na abusua kro na omo che say omo tu afris no e na wasa aka kra ya piece bi me say ya ono na kwa na be free ona ye acting Abusuapanin ya wo hwe check up me say bibia be okay nti na go fusu hwe ne nsem a wo kan ye say be ye nkofo ha ne amane bia ama nti wa ba respond to na go fusu Tüpac pa enya asem ketwa. So that is it, the letter on your screen no I know ye official response from Abusuapanin di asempa Abusuapanin kwabna before so na kofi usu Tüpac yeah fa ne nsem obeka se wa power media team a ombeka and as a media team ombeka sa dia ma abusua no we dey say be si usu anka ehye o man panyofo kan bia ni o I say agree you must come drop back na yentie nsem wa na kwabna before the two jan ye di kan o say sa PR stints ya na kofi usu krata o ba abonten se wa power media team no oh eni na so bia e bestless enti no ma ye mfa na se bia eni na so bia is say there be eni emra mu kura eni na so se na kofi usu onye Abusuapanin no akopal PR teams o mekasa amfama no nkasa ma abusua no ene dia kaina enti wo chim no say the attention of the legitimate leadership of the Akosua royal family under the recognized acting head Abusuapanin Kwabena Brefo has been drawn to a press release dated May 22nd, 2025 in which Mr. Victor Kofi Wusu, a distinguished former family head, announced the formation of a so-called public relations team. You know, or more who sakata na ba abonten am na mu nsem na ne se ye na Kofi Wusu boahin na Tüpac na wada ma na mechiao wa public relations team bia o chese omo na be kasa dia ma abusua no na asase ko say baseless na se ni na so bia na the ewura mo na se Abusuapanin Kwabena Brefo by power. Okay, now who tie kata na say we issue this response to set the record straight and to prevent the public from being misled by inaccurate representations currently circulating in the media space. What's it? Honorable Abusuapanin Kwabena Brefo, in his capacity as acting family head and as acting Abusuapanin and the man a corner this Busuya war Paco Smith to tell. And what the cartel barbontin. I bet you set a record this trainer said, and it may be a church or mountain so now confuse the cartel the buy and the beer a hard dream man as the ending beer. On better thing now, mamma say, woman who said, anybody be omu dia bia anybody be o mountain so a na se bia to omu chim sa no ma fa ne sa na omu de ko na ma fa ne sa na omu de tu anamo e wa brands one tisa ti omu de sa ka te ya ba bonten Abusuapanin come na breful Abusuapanin dia sempa chu the lawyers e de sa ka te ya ba bonten se de be ya o de be set the record straight na se de be ya obi to mountain so na se yam public it be mufo yi yen tie nsem bia eni nyina so bia na yam fan to bi so na nyina so bia se omu ka te kan no enti no ohwe krate afi de dika waka nsem ogbo nsem be se nine bi so nsem ahodo nine akese nine pa na asem be ba da bi abusua de dika wo say the Accra High Court has already moved on na say o kan mo bia te say Accra High Court no zan nsem yi say na kofusu Abusuapanin ade court no move ya fi no court no I mean every one was say ya all share the steps ahead na yentie de okay wo say on May 14th 2026, the High Court ordered that Abusuapanin Communal Breath will be joined as a party to the pending suit. And now on court, you know, I am on the work Daroma. And I'll let you say, court, I say, Wama Quine say, young Abusuapanin Diasem, and Abusuapanin Communal Breath from a cast in the I work court no may one of the defendants, Antiqua or share, and I confuse the lawyer say, or won't variation. Rate of summons ni mu is as na 4 defendants and on the work out and so but since I'm going evaluation no man fan na kwabena brefu di meka ho bi as the 5th defendant into no so nchemu and what dey mind afi yeto aso bi mu a o say the court has acknowledged that the leadership of the Akona royal family is a live disputed issue. That's what the court ko agitum say sa be Akona this Busua the oya Abusuapanin the onya Abusuapanin and the court when mu court go so stand so hwehwe ni na mu a sesi ani na court bet na asana bibia yeboko enti ha adwen se prekope ensam kura wo court na court on kasem wieye na prekope e ba beto dwasa na kofu so wa media team and our public relations team wa mo kasa enfama no afa yeto aso say Victor Kofi Wusu does not have the court's exclusive recognition and the matter remains before the court for determination. It was over the overcome. I'm will be at to say, Yama Pan and Uncle I say, and Uncle Fusu Tüpac. Court, and can be at say, or no quan, I say, or no quan, what to me, what's me a cow, baby, as well, Abusuapanin, and Tisa. Court, Emma, exclusive recognition, be and the matter remains before the court for determination. And now, as I'm crowd, that's what court. Court, and can once in meeting, Kobasa Precope, and but that's why no matter say, and that's what media to make us a Busianoa. Na sure maso kakra omujitu mu a enye and after what also be no say issuing public statements describing oneself as head of royal family while the issue remains pending before the court risk creating confusion and may prejudice the ongoing judicial process. Nti omo say ebra asem wo court nkan wie na beto dwa say ya pa media team be say omo na enkasa ma abusua ne ade a na say ye book court ko antia na asem ko court aka na abusua yemfa ni die ni buoma ne ko basa na e yakọ hadwen pa tie no so ye baako ye o maka mo sem e je busia sa na o ka afi o say a PR team cannot override a chief's dismissal. Na say nchemu ni na say akọ basa bia o hene etu anamon bi o hene tu obi afiri da kunya so na obi o hene age obi di bi afiri nsem e no ko PR team na media team a entimi nsesa sa adwumadie no a anasa sa tumi na o hene age afiri nsem no there's an Akosu hene e de krata ba no de pisi say waje mampanyimfo na asem kan ya to na kofusu nja Abusuapanin bi mu a se na kofusu ka so pa PR team na se media team na se sa na Akosu hene this year take here no and so the Abusuapanin na take here no enti we say Victor Wusu was customarily destituted on March 11th 2026 by the Akosu hene na Abuati Amponsa Akofo by the third public relations campaigns or media statements cannot reverse or supersede customary decisions taken by traditional authority. Nti we say na Akosu hene any abusuafo ina akọ benkum se na akọfusu nya Abusuapanin bi empokua no bosome miensa nde to so du ba akọ afim pimenu de nunsia ena utu na akọfusu fra kunya so enti no onya Abusuapanin bi yendi ensi de biara da se na ubepa media team na media team no apa nti asesa na decision atik nyam na meka krata no ɛna ɛka sɛ deɛ ɛsi ɛteɛ nti ɛno nso ho nsɛm kakra ɛna ɔka ɛde akyerɛ amansan nti ɔso pɔ a media team a na ɔsesa another decision a watake ɛde afa dibere a wagye afiri wɔn nsɛm no ho afei ɔkɔ ɛtɔ so mmiɛnsa ɔsɛ where is your letter of administration ɛsɛ obusa na kofi zen letter of administration where ɛna ɔkyerɛ mu sɛ the public should also be reminded that Victor Owusu has not publicly produced any grant of letters of administration in relation to the estate of the late Charles Koyofo that Lumba nti ɔsɛ yɛn ka mo obi ante sɛ obiara ma na kofi Owusu Tüpac and our Roma. Obiama letters of administration bia. Yeah, for that Lumba. Tienshan so nien ye pa. It was say any unauthorized interference with the estate or personal properties of this person raises serious legal concerns under Ghanaian law. And I'm say, omuchim say, Obiama ne to me bia letters of administration bia say on fire to that Lumba Japadi any the on fire CC and Yamana bibia anya boko. Na Ghana bremu so say Obiama to me court ma to me na bibia and chesa na okrasa to me no. Na okrasa wo de ope e control bi nioma e de opa control bi o nyame de Japadi a. Etia Ghana mra ya mo chesa mo de ko gina Ghana mra ni mu a. Ho be kire wo pa e ma no be di ya enya asem 20 no so mo ka de a kire e na Kofi Owusu. Ana ye baako. And the chat was say a final word to the media, and that's what the answer for. And I'm catching. Now, Jim said, we respectfully urge members of the media and the general public to exercise restraint and avoid treating ongoing legal and customary disputes as settled matters. So, what's what to your for normal science and for say, you know, say what you say, can you be home? Now, you say, same way, one penny funny one and can be now, once a media for your Casania can say, oh, as you a settle a done there be. And instead of be a woman. Ebi nso wana na matena nkonya ho ya ni nyina na won ka ho asem wie mlam nso ka ho asem wie but as bi diafo ye mu bi se de o kan no ye ka na ya kan so ye dando ya ka ho asem wie na say ya kan say a settled case which is not the case don't ye futu my SM34 and after what was we not say the issues surrounding the leadership of the Akosua royal family remain before the appropriate legal and traditional authorities and all parties should allow the processes to take its course. It was say and somewhere far Abusuapanin ho nsɛm wefa de on the deck kwani shibusua no ye nyina yenim ye woka sɛ ɛwɔ appropriate bodies anim ɛwɔ mranim court ebe nso wana no mu anim sɛ de amamre ne amani state traditional authorities enti omo sɛ obi bia da sɛ ye nya abotɛ ne nsɛ sɛ mra ɛbɛyɛ adwuma na bibia pɛpɛpɛ ye bɛkɔ so sɛ de yɛsɛ ne fata ti ma yɛmfa branch yɛnsɛm entu na mo bia enim na yɛmfa branch yɛnsɛm enka nsɛm bia ɛbɛha atwen na wo wie no sɛ the office of the acting head of the family. The office of the acting head of the Akosua royal family remains committed to addressing these matters through lawful and proper channels. Inti ono Abusuapanin kwabena befu di asempa de. Wa bia tan so obeto ne boas na waboa na mremu kakra se de o sasem bia fa so ekọ se de pese bibia to so asodwe kwa se bibia ye bokọ no. Saa na obeye no. On fa bibia ampre na ho nye bibia. Obeto ne boas ya time bra amamre ne amane achi na bibia akọ se de ese ekọ. Katai Abusuapanin kwabena befu free issued by the office of the acting head of Akosua royal family. Abusuapanin kwabena befu na the lawyer for and a tray council here from Benjamin and Co. And I'm a tray. Abusia yanka kayon kakra. Yanko some of the videos from and now Abusia focus here. And I say yes, I find if I could share what High Court. Here, but there can be a better so. Now yet the assume.
Okay, Boba. Okay. And what the ones ever two court and him. Said the same siako. Assemble na wobon tofa. And then I argument kesi power court. Send no mean na posikoye.
Oh, Abusuapanin for fra. Abusuana ye no say. Ono na onda Abusuana no na. Cheka debia na ebude debia na onjina ni mu na onfa ye toye. Ehun say o apply say oba join the case no. Fi say Abusuan timi ma court abrana Abusuapanin ete baabi. Into apply no na court no to share na say na obetie say oba join no to the case and as on join no. Ti ya obi a bo na no asem na court na say there be ye defense mu no ya kan say papa na ode asem no ba court so as former Abusuapanin onye Abusuapanin bio enti no to aso de asemi edi asemi a e court kra nye yi enti sa na third dia oba join new Abusuapanin na baba court so onye Abusuapanin oba join into the suit said about court bit me tin sem ni nyina mu yi na afi no de yi ato yi enti no ne tofa bomu ne say new Abusuapanin na Abusuana yi no a ye hwe ya ma video a e kire say Abusuana ko hia ya omo etu omo Abusuapanin dada no de ne si so no sa new Abusuapanin court agina tum say omra meka case no ho na afi no court no enye hwehwe mu bi a oso hwehwe including yen yasama de ba say former Abusuapanin no onye Abusuapanin bio no eno na bebo ama court na tuma hwehwe sanse no nyina mu yie enti join da a obe join na case no eno na court na ajatum say ampa I also join no enti na ntofa boma no me do masepe
council and then in said the na court aye hyehyehye Abusuapanin pacho council and then him said the court meka say na eja Abusuapanin de beto court wani say omra beka when say na nchirimo ne e course e court
Mecha etiefo nyina dedi kan de meka ne say nano a ye nimu hia ne ye ka kire mu say ye de enkrata beto court say eye Abusuapanin kwabna brefo ono na say e course e corner abusua e wo Akoso ne nsuta no ono na ya pa ne say Abusuapanin enti nsem na eda court no etwa say court ede ne beka asem ne ho say de be ya ye betimi ado asem no masuko na enchechemu bi ewo mu bia ye de abetudwa na enra najo emfa ne say be almost 5 o'clock ena eye Tüpac a lawyer for no omude affidavit in opposition ebre na said the net tie bia no enam say na ye gi asem a ye de abeto court no edinti no ye adwen say even though abalate no ye be ko ye nim ni aka asem no nti enda ye de asem beto court anim say court enhwe no fa Abusuapanin kwabna brefo enka asem ne ho ye bobo so na court agi atum say Abusuapanin kwabna brefo etwa say ye de ne beka asem ne ho enti sesi a ne de Abusuapanin kwabna brefo asem na eda court no ono na eye faith defendant enti court a share Tüpac ene ne lawyer for say asem no omo amend rate no mo mfa Abusuapanin kwabna brefo nka ho ena court a share da say Nsamba 29th June enti zania mani nyina bekoso na 29 June ya beto aso e court
said the abetodwa said na beka no musuye mo gidi say ebeboa ama asendie na mo pe no mo site mi aka no
o share ye rules ene ye mra de adwuma na aya na court no ese se oye ne niam se de be ya asem bi ba nipa a etwa so mo ba asem no nyina mu no ye de omo be kan asem se de be ya because we senka court an ye antuma nke betimi akofile another suit but court hwe niam ni nyina court ese there be asem a eda menim no se me de Abusuapanin ka ho a ebeboa court na ma court no ahwehwe nsem ni nyina epempensemu ehun se asem no ni sibreni ana se ha na ese se ye de asem ne fa enti no niam bebre ho no ma ese so omo ye ese so omo kwaje order so omo amende ese so omo serve yen a akonya beba am yen so ye de defense aba betudwa ni nyina echi no court ye mra 29th na de wo bia yenka
cause we the last year you nyina ba wie no you be say so ye na beka no na kire say ye gitum so ye Abusuapanin na
yenya nu ho
okay
eno no say Abusuapanin de say de medi kan na no efie eni esi Abusuapanin yen yasema idea beto court ne say Abusuapanin kwabna brefo ena say yesi na Abusuapanin ewo ekwo na Abusuam wo pa Akoso ye ka say ni say asem na eda court no eye Tüpac oni hu tumi say ogina asem no mu bi enti afa ne ye be pense sa ne yenim a kire court de enti a eni say Abusuapanin Tüpac ono na edi asem yenim
You almost friend to sack.
oh to sack enti afa ne ye be do mo suko a kire say oni tumi say ono no ogina asem nenim wo court enti em say ne meka no
yeah that's we ko Abusuapanin so na ja Abusuapanin de betodwa asem kakra be na obeka e de akire achiefo ne fefo ne
Asida ne de menyankopom de menamasipi.
okay papa then also
Nyankopon enhyira mu nyina. Nyankopon enhyira mu for mo mpaebo ne odo amode tai cause proceedings ni na achi na enenso so pepepe yo apie na obonsamonsa agene na nsakese bi aso so agene enti Nyankopon enhyira mu.
Right, I was until the last time I was focus here work high court. I said we course or be I don't know. Yeah, nyame adom a bosumi a ibere mu e ye bosumi sia June you need to so di no 29th June. I was for na besa kopie mo court. Na bibia Akosua Serwaa request. Ye mom pie na hwese nyame be yadom na wakasa. Na bibia ayebo ko da se ojebre. Na ohwe me dey kwa na usne mom kai se etomfie e wo atwema yabe. 10 minutes drive from Sofola na a 4-bedroom house back with a master bedroom and a 10 akano a single room self contained ya ho de no wa fa number na twekuna from then your makasa bo da form bibia be koyi eti amonyame ka ho be pa me be sia makra bye bye.
Your perfume, near my degree, home my own yisha. Nania Nije woman say, perfumes neighbor show her. So, Barney, when you whom be a whole tester, and the way your showcase is so I. I can't test her nature, saying, yes, I don't know about Batono, wouldn't the way I. Let's see now,
packaging announcement.
Bow shape, we amber glue ho. So she, ya maumia, na ushia na se wani je ho a na wafa. Ti ye near man